Well, we're here in Out and About and giving you great product ideas to take you out, to take you traveling. It's that social summertime, and Gary Mickles is here, representing the company that brings this wonderful idea to us from InStep. It is the Omni Portable Jogging Stroller, and a jogging stroller like none other, really made very well, very safe, very rugged. $85.26, F3386. First of all, Gary, I understand that this has a pretty unique styling to it. So let's go through and give them the full tour.
Gladly. This is the Omni Stroller from InStep. It has a retractable canopy. Now, this is a ratchet-style canopy. Comes with the stroller.
That's unusual to see a canopy, first of all, come with the stroller.
Yeah, we do include it with the stroller.
Excellent.
Some of them you have to buy separately. Ours is included.
Great.
And again, it's the ratchet feature, so it doesn't flip back and forth on you in the sunlight and whatnot. And I think one of the best features, of course, is how easily it folds. 2 buttons on the side.
Right.
And
hey,
voila, you're ready to roll.
You didn't pinch your fingers,
nope.
You didn't break a nail, and it's nice and lightweight, too. It looked like you could pick it up very easily.
Easily? Yes.
Yeah.
The
Now,
whole thing weighs about 14 pounds, I think it weighs.
Great. And it can, as you do that, stand up in that position, too. So great to put in the minivan because the space is right, and great because it stays in place.
Yep.
There you go. Wow. All right. There's many more things to discuss, like those tires I see bouncing very nicely there. That would be a comfortable ride for the little one.
Yes, it would. It has pneumatic tires, which gives you a normal shock absorption.
Great.
So it has pneumatic tires with a tube inside, you know, all the way around. They're 12-inch ball bearing tires, rather. So it rolls, you know, very easily.
And when you want to stop, it can stop very well, too, right?
Well, yeah, it is a jogging stroller, so it does come with a handbrake. Okay, handbrakes are great for going down hills, and this will accommodate a child up to 50 pounds.
Wow,
so,
that's taking a child from a very young age and on upwards.
Yeah, you know, I have a 4-year-old and she still likes to ride around a little bit. You know, she's a little old for it, but sometimes they
tell everyone, father of 3 little ones, so knows what you need in a jogging stroller. That's true.
And I'm a father effective about
really?
8 minutes ago.
Really? Oh, really?
I mean, you know, it's Father's Day.
Oh, I see. That's right. Okay. I thought you were saying you were having another one.
Yeah,
okay.
I just figured I'd do the show instead.
All right. Well, now, we've got the safety features of the brakes. You have not only a parking brake, but you have a jogging brake.
We didn't show the parking brakes yet. Let me show you the parking brakes.
Okay.
In the back, you've got parking brakes. All you do is rest your foot on one and the other, and it parked.
Now, how do you release it?
Just with your toe or your foot.
So that's easy. You don't even have to bend over to do it.
Oh, of course not.
Excellent. And while you're down there, there's quite a bit of room for storage space, too, on this one.
Yeah, it's got an oversized storage pouch. We've got a backpack sitting in there now.
My goodness,
easily in and out.
Fit a lot.
Yep, it's oversized. There's also a zipper pouch here, a mesh zipper pouch for your keys or your wallet or whatever you want, you know.
Or your
coming back from the
FRS
beach.
radio from
That's right,
Special Value, so you're
two-way
always
radio,
in
TSV,
touch.
that you bought today.
Right, so you're always in touch if Dad's in the house resting or maybe watching a sporting event, and you're out jogging, you want to make sure that somebody knows that you got an important call to get back real quick. You could put it right there. And then now, actually, where the child will sit is very well constructed, too. I understand there's a number of straps that
so
are
I can get a good shot of it.
Here.
This is a 600 denier nylon, polyester rather, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, it's cradled so the child can ride comfortably. It does have a 5-point harness. This is very important for children, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the child can't slip out forward.
That's definitely
it's a 5-point harness.
Yeah.
It does have quick release aviation style buckles.
Okay.
Simple as that. And it does have a foot plate for the child to step in if, you know, he or she's old enough to step in.
Right, that
The
looks
front
like
wheel
that's
is
pretty sturdy
shrouded.
down there too, you know?
Yeah, it's a heavy-duty ABS. Yeah, heavy-duty ABS that we use.
And so easy to fold up, easy to store. And you were talking about the fact that so many of the jogging strollers are difficult to put inside the minivans because they're too big?
Yeah, the tires on normal joggers are about 16 inches. These are 12s. So in a minivan or an SUV, you fold it up.
Right.
Stick it in the back of the minivan.
Right.
You go to close it up, and your tires are hitting the back seats sometimes.
Yeah.
This one, that doesn't happen.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So now you're even taking good care of the car, too, and making sure that you can fit it inside. Now, think about also the uses that we would have for this. Not only on pavement, but how does this work out for sand if we're on the beach, say?
Works terrific. You know, about 3 weeks ago, we were down in Ocean City on the location shoot. We had a young lady on the beach with this stroller. And she was just gliding right across the sand, no problem whatsoever. That's the large, you know, oversized tires.
Is that usual, though? I mean, I don't remember ever seeing a jogging stroller on the beach. But this
yeah,
one
well,
you
joggers
can?
will go on the beach. Yeah, we like to call this an all-terrain stroller. You know, you can get around malls, supermarkets, you know, anywhere you want to go.
Much
the reason
better,
we call it a
yeah.
jogger is because it has a brake on it. If you're jogging wherever, you can slow it down as you're jogging. But more and more parents with young children are buying these, you know, just as an all-terrain stroller.
Right.
You go to soccer games, you're going over curbs, you're going anywhere, you know, that a conventional stroller won't go.
Right.
And try to push a conventional stroller in the sand.
Well,
You
even
can't.
Yeah, that's what I was
you're
trying
walking,
to get
your
at.
back's hurting,
And
people are
the
laughing.
old ones that we're used to seeing, I mean, it took more energy to push the darn thing than you wanted to expend. This really is so simple. The storage is very simple. You have the little tether line there too, which
Yeah,
is
we put a
also
tether strap on
important.
all of our strollers. It's a safety feature because it does glide so easily. You know, and if you're on an incline, you're not paying attention, you know, all of a sudden it's getting away from you. You know, so you should always have the tether strap on.
I like the color scheme. I like the safety features. I like the durability to this and the styling that is like none other. $85.26. Another very affordable idea for out and about. You're out. This is that social time. This is the time
It's a
you want
lifestyle
to do
product.
some walking. You want to get back in shape maybe if you're a mom. And now you can do the jogging and you can have the little one with you at
Well,
the same
even if you don't
time.
want to get back in shape, I mean, I don't jog. I'm capable, you know. But, you know, I'm pushing the kids around mostly.
That's
you know,
true.
But,
You just want 'em with
you're
you.
just out and about. And,
Yeah.
and the key is, you know, easy gliding. It rolls so simple. It'll go virtually over anything, you know, and it folds so simple. A lot of the joggers you'll see out there, or even the all-terrain strollers, when you
Right.
break them down, they've got pins and you're fumbling with pins. They're clumsy. Here you've got two buttons and you push them in and voila, you know,
Wow.
you're in the car and you're ready to go. And another feature I didn't even show you really or emphasize is when you fold this back up again,
Right.
it just, listen to the click now. Everybody ready?
Yep.
You're
Locks
locked and you're
into
ready to
place.
go, okay?
Excellent.
No pins, no fuss, no muss. It's just away you go.
And speaking of locking it into place with those parking brakes, you know that it's going to be stationary. If you're on an incline, you know that the safety feature of
Spin around,
having
show the
that is
parking brakes
there.
one more time.
As well as the brake, the hand brake. If you're going downhill
Yep.
and it gets a little too fast, you've got a brake to help you out
Or if
there
you're running,
too.
you know, or if
Right.
you're jogging. It does have an ergonomically correct handle on it. Let me release these brakes and spin it around for you
Yeah.
one more time. And look how easy that spins.
That is
know,
remarkable.
You know,
It
with
really
one
is.
finger.
The latest in
Nothing's easier than that.
technology brought to us from InStep. And Gary, thank you so much for being with us.
Lynn, thanks for having me again.
Definitely.
Great to be back.
We've got so many great products in this hour, and want to let you know that 48 can cooler is coming up next, so give us a call if you have that. We would love to hear from you. Also, Boyd's Baird's coming to QVC. Yes, a live audience show. I know we're packed, so it's not something that I'm saying make sure that you call in and get here for, but I want to tell you that Boyd's Bears is coming